Welcome back to day 80. Consistency builds trust. 7 days of value is what we're going to be talking about today. So today's all about one of the most powerful principles in the online business. Consistency creates trust. You do not need viral videos to grow. You do not need a massive following to make income. What you need, value and consistency delivered over time. Here's the truth. People don't follow perfect creators. They follow reliable ones. Creators who show up with helpful insights, encouragement, simple tips, and clarity. When you become that consistent voice on someone else's screen, you build trust, you build authority, you build loyalty, and you build momentum. So today's challenge is very simple. Look at your last 7 days of content. Even if it's just posting in here, did you teach someone something? Did you encourage someone? Did you share a personal experience? Did you offer the next step? Use today's worksheet to outline your next 7 days of value-driven content. You're no longer posting to post. You're building a brand. Every piece of content is planting a seed and creating your future audience. So comment value if you're ready to commit to 7 straight days of value content. Grab that worksheet. Let's map out your week, and we will see you tomorrow for day 81. You've got this, friends. Let's go.